Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn about trim and extend command. So first we will see how to use trim command. Trim command is used to remove any extra lines from an object. For example, I just want to remove these lines, these inner lines from this object to make it perfect. In this case, I will use trim command. To use trim command, I can just use a shortcut as well. For the trim, I will just use shortcut of DR to activate this one. Or you can just go here in modify panel and you can see here, this is the icon for trim. I will just click on this drop down arrow. Okay, and the next option here is extend. So first I will just click on this trim to activate this one. Now it is asking a select object. Okay, before selecting any object I will just enter once more. Okay, I have to just select that particular object that I want to remove. For example, I want to remove this line. Now you can see here red cross on this small square. It's mean that it is going to remove. I will click here to remove this one. I want to remove this one as well, and I want to remove this. Now to make this as a perfect shape, I will just remove this one as well. Now you can see here all of extra lines are going to trim. Now again, I just want to use one more method for trimming. For example, I just want to remove all of this area, this one, in one shot. In this case, let's see how to use trim command. TR, I will hit enter. Now before entering again, I will just select the boundary around which I want to remove that particular object. So for example, I want to just remove this area. Okay, so I will give this as a boundary point. Okay, now the lines which are touching to these boundaries will be trimmed in one shot. I will enter again, and now I will select that. You can see here when I am just moving this on the object, on this object, it's all going to remove, not one by one as we did before. So I will just select this one, and in one shot we have removed all of this. Now I will escape this one. I will go again in trim command and double enter, and I want to remove this one, and then I want to remove this one. Now it is going to change into perfect shape. Now there is one more option regarding trim, that is fence option. For example, if you want to just delete different types of object from different place or different lines from different place, you can use fence option in trim. Okay, so I will just go here and I will activate trim again, and I will hit enter. Okay, now here you can see one of option, that is fence. So I will click here, and then I want to just create a fence, and I will just delete some lines from here. Okay, so I will start a fence from here. For example, I want to delete this line and this line. Okay, and this line, and I want to just delete inner part of this line, this line, this line. Okay, so you can just delete some multiple lines here. I want to delete this line, and I want to delete this. Okay, now this is how you can use fence option. In this option you can just delete multiple lines in one shot from different places. So I will hit enter. Now you can see it has removed all of the extra lines from here that I wanted to remove. So this is what fence option in trim. So hope you understand about the trim command. Practice it again and again to use it. Okay, so I will just escape this one. Now the next thing here is extend. So as name suggests, extend mean stretch, or if you want to extend something from one place to another, okay, you can just use this command. I will just click on this drop down to activate extend from here, or you can just use a shortcut as ex for extend. I will hit enter. Now it is asking a select a object that you want to extend. Before that I will hit enter again as we did in trim. Okay, so I will hit again, and now I want to extend. I want to just join these two lines, so I will just click here, or when I am just going to put this on this line, it is going to join here. Okay, so I want to extend, so I will click here to extend this one. Now this is what extend option. Now if I want to just extend this line up till here, okay, in this case again I will just use this extend. I will hit enter again. Now I want to just extend up to this level first, then up to this, then up to this. And if you want to just extend in one shot from here to here, you can use one more option, that is selecting a boundary. So let me just escape this one. Again, I will just activate this one. And for example, I want to extend this line up to this level. So first I will just select this boundary because I want to extend from this level to this level. So I'm going to select this one, then I will hit enter. Now whenever I will just click here, it will directly extend, it will bypass all of these two lines up till here. Okay, so I will click here, and now you can see in one shot it is just bypassing one and two lines, and it just extend up to this boundary as I give this boundary to extend. Okay, so this is how you can just extend an object in AutoCAD. Hope you understand this session. See you in the next.